Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing this USB-C charging station. It's a 96 watt 6-port desktop USB charger. The brand is called TEXSSO. So you can use this if you're traveling or if you just want a charging station around, maybe your couch or on your desk. Well, having something like this, it will help kill the clutter because it's able to provide a lot of power to a lot of different devices all at once. And let me just peel this tape. For some reason I can't get it. There we go. All right. So here's the power cord. Looks like we have a lot of instructions here. Ooh, we got some small text. But basically, it just tells you the wattage of the stuff that you're charging. But man, that's small. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this here. As you can see, this unit is pretty small. It's about the size of a deck of cards, maybe just a little thicker. Ooh, look at that finish. That's a nice finish. All right, see, here's the port, power plug port in the back. And that's it. So here's the front. So 1022, yeah. So let's see. You have the USB up here up front. And as you can see, is the PD, power delivery of 20 watts. You put that there. And then we have, lots of room for USBs, which is nice. You plug in multiple devices all at once. You can charge, your phone, or your new iPad, your AirPods, and of course you can do all your Android stuff, and all of it all in one small compact device. Let's see, anything else? As you can see, we have the three 20 watt PD USB-C ports, which will charge all your new phones and devices. And then the rest would be the USB ports, which are still quick charge, which is very, very nice. So this will not charge like big laptops because it's dividing up the 96 watts into all these. So, you won't be able to charge like those nice new laptops, but iPads and AirPods, all of those will work just fine. And being that it's the quick charge and PD, then you'll be able to charge at the faster rate that the newer iPhones can go. So that's the good part about it. All right. Okay, so this is the 6-port. Has USB-C and USBs, and is a 96 watt from TEXSSO.